How to redeem GameStop promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in GameStop promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how can you get GameStop promo code. So go ahead and open this one website, couponfollow.com. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for GameStop. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 30% off, $25 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on Redeem at GameStop. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the official website of it, what you have to do is go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you will find this section of codes. Over there, type in the code and confirm your purchase. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for GameStop. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. So this way you can easily redeem GameStop promo codes. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.